Hello my dears, here's Sally, and today we are doing yoga to really warm up, to get a lot of heat and energy for your day. Are you ready? Then we start directly in standing. Start to shake your body, shake your legs, shake your hips, shake your head, shake your hands, everything. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. You can also release some thoughts or some stucky things from the night. Just release everything. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Get warm. Get moved. Move how you want right now. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Come to a standing position and feel. Connect with your breath. And with the inhale, raise your hands into the sky. Exhale, bring them in front of you down. Inhale, feel the earth energy connected with the sky and bring it into your body in front of you. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, feel the earth, feel the sky. Bring both together with the exhale inside of you. Then open with the inhale the hands to the side. Feel the fresh energy. And come in front of your mat to a standing position. Inhale, hands in front of your heart in Anjali Mudra. Hands together. Inhale all the way up. Hands in the sky. Exhale, come down and walk or jump into high plank. Raise your right leg and hold it here for 1 to 3 breaths. And then change. Lift the left leg up and hold it here at the same time. Your hands are really powerful in the ground. Exhale, come all the way down. Inhale into Cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. With the inhale, raise your right leg and bring it forward between your hands. Inhale into Virabhadrasana. Your legs are really grounded. Exhale, interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale, open your chest, open your heart, and exhale, bring your hands down. Bring the right leg back, come into downward facing dog, lift your left leg and bring it forward between your legs, other side. Inhale from your belly, come all the way up, you're really grounded. Exhale, interlace your fingers. Open your chest with the inhale. Open your heart. Your head is really loose, really relaxed on top. Exhale all the way down. Keep the flow. High plank. And exhale into downward facing dog. Your buttock is facing into the sky. Your hands are pressed really powerful in the ground. Walk or jump forward with the inhale. Exhale down. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands in front of your heart. Inhale, hands up, come on your toes. And hold it here. If you need to find your balance, find it. And then exhale. Come all the way down. And really relax into your forward fold. Move your legs a little bit. Your head is really relaxed. The hands are like an anchor for you. So your legs can relax your hip, your lower back. With the inhale, straight back. Your legs are really grounded. Your arms are eased. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. And then inhale, raise your right leg up, come into Virabhadrasana 3. The hip is not hiking, keep the right hip down, it's parallel to the ground. Open your chest, inhale, hands all the way up into the sky to find your way into Virabhadrasana 1 again. Interlace the fingers in the back and open to Virabhadrasana 2. And we come into the peaceful warrior. The stretch on the side. Inhale back to center and stretch your upper body to the other side. Inhale the center, exhale into the stretch. Feel both sides of the body. Come back to center and find your way down into high plank and downward facing dog. Right leg up, straight in the sky. Inhale forward, exhale back. A few more rounds. Inhale forward, exhale back. And really push your hands into the mat. Feel your stability here. Exhale up, inhale down. Downward facing dog. Walk or jump forward into forward fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale in front of your heart. Connect with your breath. Inhale, hands into the sky. Exhale, come all the way down in your forward fold. Relax your lower back, relax your head. And inhale, come into your chair pose. Like you're sitting on an imagination of a chair. Inhale all the way up. And bring the hands to the side. Really stretch them. Exhale, release. Hands in front of your heart. Your legs are really grounded. And from the hips you fold forward. Straight spine. Your hands are like wings. So they have a lot of ease. Stability and ease at the same time. When you are really stable, lift your left leg up. Virabhadrasana 3. Legs are grounded. You can move your hands around. Where do you want to have them on this side? Maybe you keep them the whole time on your hips. Or inhale up and exhale, come into Virabhadrasana 1. Your legs are really stable. Exhale, interlace your fingers. Inhale, open your chest, open your heart. Look up. And exhale, find your way into Virabhadrasana 2. The back leg is 90-degree opening. And exhale into the peaceful warrior. The legs are stable, just the upper body is moving. Inhale center, exhale, stretch on the other side. Exhale, come all the way down into high plank and then directly into downward facing dog. Bring the left leg with the inhale in front, exhale back and into the sky. A few more rounds. Inhale forward, exhale long backward. Inhale forward, exhale back. Come into your downward facing dog, high plank. Hold it here. Lift your right leg. Hold it to get even more energy, to heat up more inside. And then release. Change the legs. Left leg up just a few centimeters. And hold it, hold it, hold it. Exhale. Find your way down in Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. And exhale into the child pose. We want to keep an active child pose. Your elbows are not coming down. If you need to rest more, bring them down. But if you can, keep the elbow straight. And the energy is moving the spine down. So if your body could make a whole circle, half of the circle would be in the ground, half of the circle is in the sky. Connect with your breath. Inhale. Come to a seated position. And exhale into downward facing dog. And walk or jump forward. And relax into a forward fold. One more time here. Release whatever needs to release right now. What does your body need? Where can you relax a little bit more? With the inhale, vertebra by vertebra, find all the way up to standing position. Your feet are grounded, your knees are soft, your jaw is relaxed. And we start with a beautiful energy flow. Inhale, hands in front to your heart. Exhale, forward to the sun. And to the side for the whole world. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, hands down. Connect everything inside of you. Inhale, feel the earth, feel the ground, bring it to your heart. Exhale, open it to the whole world. Inhale over the head and exhale, bring everything inside of you. 5 more rounds. Inhale to your heart. Exhale from your heart forward to the side. Inhale up. Exhale, bring everything inside of you. Inhale, feel the ground, bring it to your heart. Exhale, give what you need to give to the whole world, to the side, up into the sky. Exhale, collect everything inside of you. Inhale to your heart. Exhale from your heart in front of you what you want to give to the side, to the whole world. Inhale into the sky and exhale, collect everything inside of you. Keep going, find your own rhythm. Connect with your own energy. How does it feel? Do you feel the nature, your surrounding? Bring the hands in front of your heart together. Feel your heartbeat, connect with yourself. How do you feel now? Are you ready for the day? Thank you for your time. Thank you for your trust and for your energy. If you like the video, feel free to send it to a friend, to share what you love to do. I hope to see you soon. Namaste.